Well, a few more days of just absolutely gorgeous late summer weather here before we hit the autumnal equinox. Let's go to the weather maps. Sierra Wave Media forecaster Dennis Mattinson says pretty much quiet weather through Friday. We've been dominated so far by that ridge of high pressure. Temperatures running about normal for late summer, light winds. By the weekend, however, Mattinson says a closed low, which has been spinning in place west of southern Oregon, who among us has not done that, will move inland and push the high eastward. Right now, how far south it goes is not totally certain. The main effect will be a little bit cooler temperatures, cloudy conditions, and perhaps some thunderstorm activity over the crest. Low tonight into tomorrow morning for Mammoth-June, Mono County, 37 degrees. Bishop and the Owens Valley, about 51 degrees. Thursday for Mono County, lots of sunshine, some southeast winds, 5 to 10 miles an hour. 75 the expected high in the town of Mammoth Lakes, low of about 38 degrees. Lots of sunshine again on Friday for Mono County, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, 76 the high in Mammoth, low of about 40. And there's the isolated thunderstorm activity possible Saturday. About a 30% chance of rain will throw in there. Some southwest winds also expected to blow through Mono County, 10 to 15 miles an hour, 75 the expected high in Mammoth, low of about 39 degrees. For Bishop and the Owens Valley, lots of sunshine on Thursday, just a little light southwest wind, perhaps 5 to 10 miles an hour, 93 the high in Bishop, low of about 51 degrees. More sunny skies with some light south winds, 5 to 10 miles an hour on Friday, 93 the high in Bishop, low of about 53 degrees. And some sunny skies on Saturday for the Owens Valley, southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, 90 the expected high in Bishop, low of about 51 degrees. So as we said, some very nice late summer weather here, and just enjoying the heck out of it. As I know a lot of people were out at Bishop Country Club, let's head out to that little oasis in the eastern Sierra on Tuesday of this week. It was the Bishop Country Club Ladies Invitational. Women's Club hosting that from BCC. Now this is actually a fun week for the ladies. They come in, do a little practice on Monday, and then they have the tournament on Tuesday, and then again today, Wednesday, when they finished up. Now the way they do this, they play the both rounds of golf, and then they do what they call it an electric tournament. In other words, that you take your best hole, your best score on each hole for the 2 days. So scores will be a little bit lower than normal, but again, just a heck of a lot of nice women out there participating in the Bishop Country Club Women's Club Ladies Invitational. Got our pal Steve Shibley, the great general manager at BCC, to phone in the results today. So here we go in the first flight, and again, these are eclectic scores. Low gross, Mary Schallberg had a 77, and low net went to Betty Colescott with a 61. Second flight, low gross, Kathy McClure. Kathy, nicely done with a 77. Low net went to Kathy Addington with a 59. Third flight, low gross, Beverly Eichman with an 87, and low net, Sally Villars with a 62. And in the fourth flight, it was Sharon Patterson winning low gross, 97, and low net in the fourth flight went to Patricia Martson. Now for our locals, the hostess flight, low gross, hey, it went to Lori Plakos. Lori won that in a card off over Janine Rambo with an 80, and low net went to Sue Ropkin. She had a nice 55 in that hostess flight. And again, that was at the Bishop Country Club Ladies Invitational. So many nice ladies out there at Bishop Country Club. Hope everybody had a great time. That'll wrap it up for us here on Sierra Wave TV. We're part of Sierra Wave Media along with 92.5 FM and 96.5 FM and also sierrawave.net. Check for the latest updates on that helicopter crash on our website. Hope everybody has a great evening. Good night.